everyone, let us get into the topic. A tree has branches like human body has organs, as well as every language has parts in its speech. In English called parts of speech. Have a look at this example once. Arjuna is a very nice boy. In this sentence, Arjuna is a noun which means name. Is a tense considered as a be form. A article determiner. Very adverb. Nice adjective. Boy noun. Just now we have got an idea of parts of speech. To say simply, a name is given to a word based on its job. Now let us come to know what those parts are. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, determiner. Noun, it is just name to person, place, animal, things, etc. Priya, name. Hyderabad, place. Dog, animal. Book, thing. Just look into this example. Ramya went to Hyderabad on vacation with her family last year. Now find out nouns in this sentence. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ramya, name of the person. Hyderabad, name of the place. Vacation, trip. Family, group of people. Year, period of time, 365 days. These are all nouns but in different kinds. We will come to know about those kinds in another video. Now we are going to know about pronoun. It takes the place of noun. Just take a look at given example. Pooja is a nice girl. Pooja is my sister. Pooja's mother is housewife. Pooja is a nice girl. Pooja is my sister. Pooja's mother is a housewife. It's very unnatural to speak. That is why we can use another relevant words called pronouns in another sentences instead of Pooja. Like Pooja is nice girl, she is my sister, her mother is a housewife. Have a look at another example also. Bunny is at the movies with his girlfriend. He really enjoys spending time with her. Yourself find pronouns. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now pronouns were mentioned in the red color instead of nouns. Now let us go to another topic which is called adjectives. It gives us information about noun or pronoun. Arjun is handsome. Arjun is noun. Is be form. Handsome adjective. Look at the one more example. They drive an amazing big red sports car. Now question yourself once. What is your opinion of the car? Amazing. What size is the car? Big. What color is the car? Red. What type of car is it? Sports. One more adjective is there in this sentence. An. A, an, the. Articles. They give us information about nouns. Next one, verb. Describes an action, activity or state. Just take a look. Deepika is eating. Here eating is the main verb, physical action. I am a teacher. Here am is verb form. It conveys here state or position. These verb forms used to denote an action and the condition of the subject or what is possessed by the subject. That is why no sentences can be formed without a verb. So verb forms are very important. But we have verb conjugations in 4 types. If we concentrate on them, complete English will become very easy to understand. They are named as present, past, past participle, present participle. Now next one, adverbs. Give information about verbs, adjectives, adverbs. She is an extremely beautiful girl. She, pronoun. Extremely, adverb. Beautiful, adjective. Girl, noun. Adverbs answer questions like when, why, how, in what way, etc. Let us see, here is example. Yesterday evening we walked somewhat slowly in a very beautiful garden. When the action happened here, yesterday evening. It gives information about verb. How the action happened? Slowly. It also gives information about verb. How slowly? Very slowly or little slowly? Somewhat slowly. It gives information about adverb. And very gives information about beautiful, adjective. Now another topic, prepositions. Show relationships of nouns or other words in time, place and position. Which means to say simply links a noun to another word. Let us see example ones. I will see you at the office on Monday. In this sentence, at is preposition. It shows us place. And on also is preposition. Shows us time. Now we got a little clarity, that is why know at least a few prepositions. In, on, to, at, by, from, with, before, after and etc. Let us see one example now. I want him to cook delicious food for me. Yourself find what prepositions are in this sentence. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I, pronoun. Want, verb. Him, pronoun. To, preposition. Cook, verb. Delicious, adjective. Food, noun. For, preposition. Me, pronoun. Learners sometimes confuse prepositions with conjunctions, but these are very different. Just take a look at them. And, but, or, so, because. These words help to connect ideas, which means join clauses, sentences or words. Let us see some examples. Suresh and Ramesh are best friends. In this sentence, Suresh, noun, and conjunction, Ramesh, noun, are verb form, best, adjective, friends, noun. Go to another example. I did not go to school today because I don't feel very well. Here two clauses are there. One is result, another one is reason. Because shows us relationship between them. The same example is changed for you to find conjunction yourself. I don't feel very well today, so I didn't go to school. Find yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So is conjunction. Let us enter into another topic, which is called interjection. Wow. Ah. Ouch. Oops. Hey. Hi. Interjections are words that have no real meaning, but they help us to show sudden emotion. Got the exclamation? Wow. Excitement, surprise, amazing. Ah. Frustration, anger. Hey. Hi. Call out someone who use these. The last point, determiner. Already we discussed in adjectives. A, an, indefinite article. The, definite article. These articles give us information about noun. For example, a man knows the value of money. In this sentence, a article gives information about noun, man. I hope you have satisfied with the information of parts of speech. Thank you, and please subscribe, share, like.